Hi friends, welcome to Kalpana's Kitchen. I hope you're doing well during this lockdown. And yes, today's recipe is a non-vegetarian recipe and it is prawns and eggs fried rice. It's a one-pot meal, a very simple one to prepare during this lockdown period. So let's get to the recipe now. Now I've taken 2 eggs here and we will be adding a dash of salt in that, and like you prepare this for scrambled eggs, we'll just beat this 2 eggs, and yes, we've taken 1 tablespoon oil, and we'll just scramble the egg. You want to add pepper in this? No. We have taken 2 tablespoon oil. I had marinated the prawns for half an hour at least with just salt. That's it. Just a pinch of salt. Now to that we will add garlic ginger. 1 tablespoon garlic and 1 tablespoon ginger paste. And crushed green chili. I've taken 2 chilies, okay? And the flame is on high. Wow, I'm already getting lovely, yummy aroma. Now I'll be adding the vegetables. I've chopped some spring onion. I think we use 1 bundle of spring onion. Yes. And we have carrots and capsicum. The carrot has a lovely color. We'll now add some nice spice again, that is black pepper powder. I've already added green chilies, remember? Wow. Now we'll be adding soya sauce. During this lockdown I don't have much stock, but these were the sachets I got with some pizza order or something, and so then I'm using that now. That's it. Now the soya sauce is pretty salty, so you use the salt only after you taste. Now you have an idea of how much salt you want in your fried rice. We had covered the pan for some time, so our prawns are cooked. Now we will toss in the eggs, scrambled eggs, and then the cooked rice. We will now add our steamed rice. Added a little salt in that and pressure cooked it. Okay. Now we'll toss all this till you don't see any white rice. Okay. Both the spoons is also. Wow. We have added some chopped the green spring onion, and we have kept some for garnishing. Well friends, I hope you like today's simple one pot meal. The prawns were yummy, the vegetables were just right. And yes, during this lockdown, you can prepare this recipe with very few ingredients. So friends, if you have liked today's recipe, do not forget to press the button like, share this recipe with your friends. And yes, if you have not yet subscribed to Kalpana's Kitchen, please subscribe to Kalpana's Kitchen. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.